What I love is assisting clients that are really seriously putting in some thought and intention about preparing for their upcoming property purchase. And how that process involves me is to make sure that the steps you are actioning and things that you are putting into place will impact the outcome of your eventual home loan application. And just one example I can think of and have recently had a conversation with a client about is as she's preparing for this upcoming property purchase in the next 2 months or 3 months or so, she has two vehicles that are financed. And one of the vehicles has quite a hefty installment. And so, because it's two vehicles, she's thinking it's one extra expense that she could potentially reduce and thereby increase her purchasing power for the home loan that she intends to apply for. And this is such a great way that you hold the control on your personal income and expenses, and actually can influence the ultimate outcome of your home loan application. And so she was quite open to it and asked me, what will the impact be? We went as far as to crunch the numbers, run the assessment as it stands currently versus what it would look like once she has actually reduced that installment, so traded in the vehicle for a more affordable installment. I think it was around 7,000 Rand reduction that she could actually impact this installment by, which is, a formidable amount. And it made the difference between her, completely not having the plan to actually buy property in the next 2 months versus her it becoming a reality for her and her family. And so it's such an awesome thing to see, that you can really impact your own home loan application if you were able to, reduce installments, trade in a vehicle, maybe cancel some contracts or things that, really don't serve you, and thereby increasing your ability to purchase. And as we know, property prices are just soaring, they're not coming down. Property values are increasing, especially in South Africa. The demand is high for these properties. And so actually this exercise is such a positive impact for people, and you can literally contact me and we can go through that exercise and do the current figure crunch, and then versus what it would look like once we've actually reduced those installments nicely, and how they can impact your buying power and how that can become a reality for you. You can literally put forward the plans to purchase and finance your next property. So this was a really great call to have, and she is super stoked, so excited. She's going like right away to action this. The other thing that we did chat about was credit scoring. When you apply for HP finance applications, it does impact your credit score once the dealerships apply to several institutions. And so her current portfolio is held with a certain institution, and what I advised her to do is, when engaging with the reshuffling of, and changing out of the vehicle finance, that she instructs the consultant to only apply to the institution that she currently holds an existing portfolio with and a great record with, so that it doesn't impact her credit rating, and we keep that sort of intact for the upcoming home loan application, so that we ensure that there's a positive outcome there as well in terms of interest rates, etc. So yes, I hope that this has helped some of you in terms of your future plans to purchase. Please get a hold of me, hello@olen.co.za, if you'd like to chat about this further.